So here you are able to see numerous white matters is represented within the cerebral cortex. So three types mainly you come across in the white matter. So what are the three main types of the white matter? First one is the very important is the projection fibers. So here you are able to see the fibers from the cerebral cortex. They actually travel downwards, or from the lower centers, from the spinal cord itself, they might travel upwards. So they connect the different areas of your brain, especially very distant areas of the brain. So they are actually called as the projection fibers. So these fibers are your ascending and the descending tracts. The next type of fibers, you call it as the association fibers. So you are able to see here certain fibers, they are running from one end of the cerebral cortex, or from the cerebrum to other end, like from frontal to parietal or occipital lobe. Okay, and sometimes they might curve and they also come to the temporal lobe. So like that, these fibers within one hemisphere, but they connect the nearby areas of cerebral cortex or very distant areas of cerebral cortex, are actually called as the association fibers. So numerous association fibers you are able to see here. So some names you are seeing here is cingulum. This is superior longitudinal fasciculus. This is arcuate fasciculus. So like that, certain things you are able to see here. Okay, these fibers are all your projection fibers. See, they are projecting frontostriatal projections, and these are forming your major tracts. Okay, and then you are also able to see the third type of fiber is the commissural fibers. So these cross from one cerebral hemisphere to the other. So you are able to see here they are actually connecting the functional areas of the. So now first we are starting with the projection fibers. So the projection fibers here, mainly whenever we talk about the projection fibers, what actually crosses our mind is the internal capsule. So this is very important examination point of view. So as I told you, the projection fibers connect the cortex. Anything below the cortex is actually called as the subcortical areas, and from there to the brainstem and spinal cord they run. So corticofugal fibers means they run away from the spinal cord. So they are all descending, and corticopetal fibers, they run towards the spinal cord. So they form your ascending tracts. Okay, so projection fibers of the neocortex, mainly your internal capsule, this area where you can see large aggregation of fibers. So they are all actually grouped into compact bundle in this area. The internal capsule is a very important structure. But as you trace above, you are able to see they are radiating to the different lobes of the cerebral cortex, and they are actually called as the corona radiata because they are radiating. Okay, so they are mainly the parts of the neocortex. So you know what is neocortex, which forms the major part of the cerebral hemisphere in humans, most well developed in the humans. You also have archicortex and the paleocortex. So mainly your limbic lobe and your olfactory region, olfactory cortex, entorhinal cortex, all those